got ourselves into a bit of a pickle. Good morning, it's Thursday and you can tell by the sound of my voice that I am sick. I woke up sick yesterday morning, such a bummer, and I'm back with another weekly vlog. I'm going to be vlogging over the next few days and I'm not really sure what the lesson in today's video is going to be. Maybe balancing life when you're sick. The last time I was sick I was bedridden for about 9 days and that was really horrific. Like I was very sick. This time it's not so bad. I just have a sore throat and like a little bit of congestion. Energy levels, like I'm feeling pretty normal. I mean, I can't do anything too quickly, otherwise I run out of breath, but I'm still okay enough to get on with some things. The trouble with being sick is life doesn't just stop for you, so sometimes you just have to like pick and choose what you put your energy into when you're sick and try and still get some things done. So last night, for example, I went to bed at about 11:30, and because class doesn't start until 11:30 today, I was able to just sleep until I woke up. So I think I slept for about 9 hours, which is really good. Gave me a chance to kind of rest and work on helping my sickness, because if I really do push myself, then I'll probably either get even worse or I'll stay sicker for longer. So I would really love to be, you know, healed and ready and back to normal by the weekend, so I can only hope. Today we have pattern grading and pattern specifications. We're working on an assessment in the computer room this morning, and then this afternoon we'll be doing some sort of grading assessment, which is basically changing the size of a base pattern. So we start with a 10 and we go up to a 12 and a 14 and then down to an 8. You can keep going in any direction for any size with these particular measurements, but we do only just grade about 4 sizes just so we can get a feel for it and understand how it works. So that's what is involved in today, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to last the entire day because obviously I'm not well, so we'll see how I go, but we're just going to get into the last part of my week. I'm feeling rather dressy for someone that is sick. Also, if in the background you can see that I've kind of styled up my desk a little bit differently. Really exciting. I have a video on that. If you've not seen it, it might not be up yet, but I did sort of change around and style up my desk, which was fun. So today I'm wearing this knit from Chic. It's one of my new ones. It's my favorite. I have this little belt from Cotton On, my new jeans from Just Jeans, and then my little shiny patent and leather loafers from ASOS. And I'm gonna grab a little coat as well because even though it's not particularly that cold today, I just want to keep myself warm and cozy as possible. This is the little coat that I've grabbed. This is also new. This is from Forever New as well. I love this color. I've been wanting a coat like this. However, I don't know how well it's gonna do in winter because as you can tell, it's not lined. So I'm not really sure if it's gonna be the best winter coat, but for autumn, it definitely does the job. So that's my outfit. I'm just gonna get my bag together and then head on out the door. So that was weird. I get all the way to class and it turns out our teacher's actually sick. So Maria and I are just going home. There's a train. We're going home and we're going to work on our assignment at home and do our work at home, which is great for me because then I get to relax today. I'm just going to go to Kmart first though, so I can pick up a couple of things and then I'll head home because I'm going to miss that train that's right there and I have to wait about another 20 minutes. So hopefully I can get to Kmart and get back in the 20 minutes. I don't need any more mugs, but I just found these ones and they're so cute. I love the shape of them and the gold foil. I feel like I need to get one. I'm gonna walk away and think about it. I really wanted to get another white shaggy rug to put under my desk, but this is a bit different to what they used to be like, so I'm not really sure about it, but I mean, it's so affordable that I think I will get it. So I just got home and from Kmart I picked up some of these strainer things, and my future self will thank me for that because I go to get them and I don't have them. Then I also just picked up some sushi for lunch, a globe for my other lamp that I have, and then also a fluffy rug to go under my desk. It's nap time. I am so tired and my throat is so sore. I've just finished doing like measurement errors on a document for our assessment that's due tonight. It's due at midnight. All I have to do now is write a conclusion. It's a little group assessment and there's absolutely like hardly any work to do. But this is what you call balance, you know, you do a little bit of work and then you rest, and then you do a little bit of work and then you rest. So that's gonna be my afternoon. I'm probably just gonna go between the couch and my desk, or maybe even just bring my laptop to the couch. I don't know. But right now I need a snooze. It's Friday afternoon and I just got home and I'm a mess. My house is a mess. My life is a mess. I slept in this morning by accident. I turned my alarm off in my sleep and then woke up at 9:20 and class starts at 9:30, and so it was a day where I really needed to go because we have a test next week. So I got myself up. I didn't even put on makeup. I just put gym clothes on, packed my bag, went to class. It was a relatively slow day and I got to leave a little bit early, but I'm actually in a pretty bad mood right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I feel really yuck, and I'm just waiting for Dan to finish work so he can call me, because as much as I'd love to hang out with him, I'm sick and I don't want to get him sick. So I'm just kind of stuck alone, quarantined in my apartment on a Friday night, and I'm supposed to be having this really fun, enjoyable weekend, and I'm just in a bit of a mood. So I don't want to be a downer for all of you guys, but that's just where I'm at. That's my headspace. I'm thinking this afternoon though, I'm just gonna clean. Like, my blanket is on the ground at the back there under my desk. There's stuff everywhere. I think I'm gonna spend this afternoon just slowly cleaning and feeling like I can get a little bit of my life together, and then I'm probably gonna order in some food, maybe some soup from Zupa or whatever it's called, and I don't know. We'll see where Friday evening takes us. One thing I did get this afternoon is a new drink bottle. I went into the pharmacy at the station on the way home. I got this drink bottle because it's actually only 250 mils and it's small, but I don't like carrying really large bottles with me because they make my bag too heavy. But at least this is tiny enough that it won't be too heavy, and then I can also just fill it up in the water fountain thingy outside of our classroom. So the other thing about this is it's 250 mils, which is 1 cup, which means I drink 8 of these a day, and then I have my daily intake. So it's easier for me to track my water intake, or at least I think so anyway. I don't know, I just really like it. I don't know why I'm trying to justify it. I bought a new water bottle, thought I would show you. I need to unpack my bag. I'm not gonna leave it until tomorrow. I'm actually gonna do the right thing and unpack my uni bag and put all my stuff away. I don't know about you guys, but is anyone else really excited for the Easter holidays? Because I'm so ready for a break. I just opened my drawer and I should totally show you the fabric that I've purchased for my final project. I think I said in one of my other vlogs I wanted to kind of recreate this top, or it's a dress that Zara has, but because we have to do an entire outfit and the top layer is sheer, I have to have like a slip dress underneath. So I'm thinking slip dress in this gorgeous burgundy satin. I absolutely love a satin back crepe. They're such a thick, sturdy material, but they're beautiful and shiny. So this is gonna be the fabric that's gonna be my slip dress underneath, and it will also be the cuffs and the collar and the placket of the dress. And then I've decided for the sheer netting fabric on top, this beautiful decorative burgundy mesh that has a gold and green and burgundy floral embroidery on it. It's absolutely stunning and I cannot wait on this. I'm wondering though if I'm putting too much pressure on myself and creating 2 items, and maybe I should just focus on the dress. However, dress comes first because that will cover off everything for the assessment, and if I have time, I will make the top one out of this. So I'm really excited about that. Good morning, it's Saturday morning. I'm just about to head out and go to Spotlight. I need to pick up some DIY supplies to make a flower crown for a friend's birthday party. So that's gonna be today's fun little project. I know this is really weird, but I'm gonna take some bone broth in my little travel mug with me just so I can have like a warm drink on the way. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for. I've come to the fake flower section, and the other day I was looking at this little arrangement. I like the red and the yellow and it's a bit of orange, but now I'm thinking maybe like the 2 different combination red. I really quite like that. I think I'm gonna go with the all red flower crown, and then I actually have a pink crown at home that I literally never wear, so I'm thinking I could just mush the flowers to that or at least cut it up or something, but this is the color scheme I'm going with. I went to the pharmacy while I was out, and Dan's housemate suggested that I get this, which is called Armor Force, and they're good for you. They're just like vitamins, I guess. So I'm gonna take 2 of those, and then I've also got some Sudafed as well to help keep my nose clear. And now I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. No surprise what I'm having for breakfast. I've got my potatoes on. I put them on a low heat and just let them kind of cook for a while until I can be bothered to do the eggs and everything else. So they're there while I go and do some other things. It's the usual. I'm gonna eat this and then I'm going to get in and DIY my flower crown. This is what we waited for. It's Sunday and I forgot to show you my flower crown yesterday. It actually turned out so well. It's so massive. I love it. And I can't believe this cost like maybe $14 to DIY. So cool. So I really love it. Yes, today's Sunday and I'm about to head off and meet Anna at the train station, and then we're going to Hannah's house and Erin's coming, and then we're all gonna go and head out and see Crystal because we're having like a girls' afternoon. It's gonna be such a nice afternoon. I really am looking forward to it. So let's go. We've got ourselves into a bit of a pickle. So silly. My phone died and we were chatting away that we actually missed the train stop and we went 2 stops up, and so now we're gonna have to wait and catch a train back. But it's okay, we're not gonna be that late. It's a beautiful day. It's so lovely here. We've made it to Crystal. So look at this.
This is the planet that I made. Yeah, just like started.
You've spoiled us. This looks so good. Yeah, the whole, like all we did was talk about food.
It'll be okay, like I made good stuff. So.
Oh, awesome.
So yeah, stick in.
Oh, yum.
Ultimate vlog section.
That is so cute.
Coming up. That would have been people's dream to have that. And look at you.
Oh,
That's really good.
And I'm wearing leopard print.
The nails are so cute.
Oh,
you were actually good for
cute. We're going back and having a look at some of our first YouTube videos and just making fun of the way that we used to make videos. It's hilarious. Oh, showing off the products.
The super BB. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Can you see it?
Strawberries. Oh my god, Anna, what are you doing?
I'm flossing. I can do it too. I'm gonna do it too.
Wait, now I feel like we all need to. Hang on, wait.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I'm not even gonna try.
And I can do it my whole life.
I was born for this video.
Oh my god, the brownies. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, lollies. Pajama party.
Sorry. Yeah, that's when I couldn't do it. Yes. Yeah. So Hannah, do the rice. Yeah, like this. Thrust. I can't do it. No. Okay, thrust. Back. Okay. Now just to the other side. Okay, I'm just going to keep practicing. Yeah. There we go. One side.
I need something more than that. This is fun.
Opposite. It's always opposite.
Yeah. Thrust. Thrust. And then you come back up. Yeah. And then you're like this.
It's very sexual.
There you go.
This is what happens at a slumber party, pajama party. We learn to floss. Look at it go! Oh, you're so fast.
5, 6.
Workout is done for the day.
Who needs the gym?
We need to floss.
Floss daily.
And your teeth. Decision. More cozy blankets. Dean's bringing us a footstool.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. We've got ourselves into a bit of a pickle.